Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class. In the previous chapter, we have learned how to measure the length of any object. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to measure the weight of any object. Sometimes we feel our lunch box is lighter or heavier than the other day. We often compare the weight of things. Like you may say your bag is heavier than your friend's bag. Now look this picture. The man is carrying a heavy load on his back. This man is happy to carry a light weight. The girl is holding a book. The girl is not able to hold the bag as it is very heavy. Now, can you tell me which object is heavier? A bucket full of water or a feather? Yes, a bucket full of water is heavier than the feather. Now, do this activity. Take two elastic strings. Tie one end of one string to a feather. Tie one end of the other string to a ball. Hold the two strings in your hands. Which string stretches more? The string with the ball. So, heavy objects push towards more than light objects. Heavy items are said to have more weight. Light items have less weight. The property of an object which tells us how heavy it is called its weight. When we want to buy vegetables, we cannot tell the vendor that I want cauliflower lighter than this cauliflower or pumpkin as heavy as this cabbage. When we buy a thing, we don't need all the things in the same quantity. Like when we buy chili, we buy it in small quantity. We don't need all things in the same quantity. Like when we buy chili, we buy only in small quantity. We don't buy pulses as much as rice or wheat. So when we buy different things in different quantities, we must ensure that we buy things according to our needs. Generally, your mother knows how much vegetable, rice, wheat, etc. are needed for all in the family. Like she buys 10 kg of rice or wheat, but only 3 or 4 kg of pulses, and maybe only 200 grams of chili. We purchase fruits, vegetables, sugar, rice, etc. by weights. We weight them in kilograms and grams. In short, we denote kilogram by kg and gram by g. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Objects are weighted in a balance. A balance has two pans. In one pan, we put the object to be weighted. In the other pan, we go on putting weights till the two pans are in the same level. These total weights show the actual weight of the object. Some vendors, like selling vegetables, use common balance and different metallic weight. They keep the things we wish to buy in one side and required quantity weight on the other side and balance them equally. For example, if we wish to buy 1 kg of potato, then a metallic weight equal to 1 kg is kept on one side and the potato are kept on the other side. Potatoes are removed or added until both the sides of the balance are equal. When we weight something, heavy object push downwards more than light objects. In this picture, you can see that the weight of pumpkin is more than the mango. In this picture, you can see the weight of lion is more than the monkey. Here you can see the weight of apple and orange is same. See the picture and tell me which boy has more weight. Yes, the big boy has more weight than the baby. Now, pencil and the pencil box. Which will be the more heavier? The weight of pencil box will be more heavier than the single pencil. A school bag and a big wheat bag. The weight of wheat will be more heavier than the school bag. Do you know in the early days how the people measure the weight of any object? They use cup, glass or blocks. Sometimes they also use marbles and different types of stones. Suppose the weight of the banana is 3 stone, or we can say the weight of the banana is 2 blocks. These are the non-standard unit to measure the weight of any object. A non-standard unit may vary from person to person or with the object with which it is weighted. It may be possible that the size of the cup may be big, small. The size of the stone, it may be big or small. So, these non-standard units do not give the exact weight. So, in order to find the correct weight of any object, we use the standard unit of weight, that is kg and gram. We use different metallic weight. We can find 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 500 grams, 200 grams, 100 grams, 50 grams of metallic weight. Here we can see that the weight of papaya is equal to 2 kg. Here we can see that the weight of tomatoes are more than 500 gram. In this picture, the weight of grapes are less than 200 grams. In the market, we find different products of different weight. For example, the packet of chips 20 gram, the packet of paneer 250 gram or 500 gram, a packet of sugar 1 kg, a packet of mixture 500 gram, 250 gram or 1 kg. We purchase all these products according to our need and according to the weight of an object. Hope you all have understand that how we measure the weight of any object. In the next video, we will continue this chapter. Thank you.